Snowmaking 101. Water plus
air
equals... But did you know there's more to it than that? I decided to head to Greek Peak in Cortland to find out.
The man-made snow is a little bit more dense than your Mother Nature snow, your natural snow. A lot of times it's powdery, so you have to watch out for the blowouts and everything. What that means is the snow will literally run away from the tiller, around the edges of it.
A snowmaking system is just as much about what you don't see as what you do. Resorts work year-round, much of the time at night, to maintain the infrastructure necessary to pump water and air uphill. But where does this water and air go? Right to a snow gun. There are two types of snow guns. The first uses water and compressed air to separate water particles into a fine mist.
Hey, feed me some water!
That mist then freezes in the air as it falls to the ground. The second type of gun uses a similar method but uses water and an electric fan to blow streams of water into rings.
This will be ring 1, 2, 3, 4.
Those rings can be adjusted based on the amount of snowmaking required.
Wet bulb is a combination of temperature and humidity.
The wet bulb calculation means that the lower the humidity is, the higher the temperature can be to make snow, sometimes even at or slightly above freezing. When the wet bulb says it's time to make snow, something called a nucleator is added to the water, which acts kind of like a glue that holds the water molecules together just long enough for ice crystals to form around them. Greek Peak uses a product called Snowmax, which uses a substance extracted from dead bacteria as its main form of nucleation.
The best I can describe it is dehydrated fish parts.
And while there are conflicting studies on the environmental impact of bacteria-based nucleating agents like Snowmax, one thing is for sure, the process of making snow is not cheap. It costs nearly $5,000 for every 8 hours of snowmaking, meaning it takes a lot of this to make a lot of this. And at Greek Peak, which averages 790 hours of snowmaking a year, making snow costs nearly $4 million each winter. So the next time you're thinking of hitting the slopes, check that wet bulb, and remember, Newhouse knows, and now, so do you.